Anong na-feel mo nung nakita mo yung letter ko? Siyempre, hindi mo pa expect yun na ganun yung sulat.
Hindi ko in-expect.
See? Kilig.
I was happy. I was very happy.
I was very nervous.
I was nervous. Everybody in the room was happy. Binigay kasi sa akin sa hotel lobby.
Yes, nakita ko.
Tapos gusto nila. Meron isang gustong bilhin, $1,000. Gusto nila buksan ko. So, ginanon ko konti. Tinair ko ng konting-konti. Pag ginanon ko, sige ka sila. So, pero sinabi ko na gusto ko solohin. Pinuksan ko, so pumasok kami sa room. So, si Joe and Lisa na doon. Si Joe, binibidyo na ako ni Joe. Siyempre, kailangan dramatic yung
Yes.
pagbook.
Kaya naman dramatic din talaga yung letter.
Kaya nga, nandun ako. Ready na ako. Emotionally ready na ako. Dear Ginoong Mr. B. Ginoong Mr. B.
Cute. You find it cute.
Yeah. The punch was the last line. That was a very powerful last line. Yung line na, ikaw yung hinihintay.
Ay. Saan ka kinilig? Ano?
Actually, yun yung umiyak ako. Talaga yung umiyak ako. I had to stop reading kasi nga iiyak ako. And kailangan ko pigilan yung iyak ko kasi pag umiyak ako, sobrang pumapangit ako.
Ayoko yun. Yan, actually, kaya ayoko din umiyak kasi nagmumukha akong palaka. Diba?
You know when
Magmumukha akong bullfrog.
you know when you ugly cry?
Yung lips, diba, gaganyan. Gaganon. Tapos ito, nakaganon. Tapos yung ilong bibilog. Tapos yung mata, nakaganon, no?
Ako kasi pag nag-ugly cry ako, ito, lupulupot lahat. You wanna see some wrinkles?
So yes, Mr. B, pinahihintulutan na kitang manuyo. Siyempre, mahirap naman, Mr. B. Diba?
Na mag-assume.
Sabihin ko,
Ganon.
ay, manliligaw ako. Bumibili ka lang o inaayos mo lang kasi, like, stop staring at me. Don't look at me.
Hong Kong was honestly just supposed to be a trip, bonding bago ako umalis.
Bounty.
But it was very spontaneous. Before we left, parang gusto ko dun. Para special.
Actually, kaya sabi ko nung after nung letter, kinabukasan ba yun o 2 days. Basta, di ko alam, sabi ko pagdating namin ng Hong Kong, sabi ko, pero yung nangingiliti si Mr. B sa Hong Kong, parang iba na yung kiliti niya, guys. Parang may pisil na siya. Parang may may paglambing.
I was just enjoying the moment.
Mami, miss! Sabi mo, ganon. Naging tarsier siya.
These were the moments.
Naging koala bear. May koala bear, di ba?
It's my world. Thank you.
Welcome.
Aww. First, I'd like to thank God for all the blessings. Shake, thank you.
Wala, naiyak siya, be. Ay, no, nag-tear-eyed. Let's see. Tear-eyed siya. Teka lang, may focus na.
Grabe, ang lapit mo.
May ultra focus, teka lang. Oh my God, tear-eyed siya.
First time nyo kasi may kumuha ng award na nililigawan niyo.
Hello mga my loves! Papakilala ko sa inyo yung bagong music teacher ni Katie. All the way from Los Angeles, Mr. B.